How to fix touchpad issues on your Mac. If your Mac's trackpad isn't working properly, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few easy fixes that can help. First, try restarting your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need to fix temporary trackpad problems. If the trackpad is still not working, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, scroll down and click Trackpad. Make sure the trackpad is turned on and check settings like tracking speed and tap to click. You can adjust these options to see if the trackpad starts responding normally again. Now, go back to System Settings, click General, then Software Update. If there's a macOS update available, install it and restart your Mac. You should also make sure your trackpad is clean and dry. Dust, dirt, or moisture can sometimes affect how it works. If you're using an external mouse or trackpad, disconnect it for a moment and test the built-in trackpad again. If you've tried all of these steps and the trackpad still isn't working, the problem may be hardware-related. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.